What's up, cuties? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis, and if you haven't seen this face before, hello, hi there. Thank you for joining me. If you are ready to learn how to do this look, then please hold tight, and we're gonna get right on into this. Today we're going to be doing a mustardy eye look, a mustard yellow eye look. So before we start, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize these lips because my lips are dry. I just use the Nivea lip care chapstick because it's bomb and moisturize my crusty dry lips, and I got the little flavor vanilla buttercream because anything vanilla is amazing. I'm going to start off with tried and true NYX Hydratouch primer. Always a real one. The most important spots on my skin or on my face is the nose, the forehead, and underneath the eyes. So that's literally where I just concentrate the majority of the primer at, because that's where this young sis needs it the most, you know? I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This is currently the only foundation that I have until I get a new one, but there's nothing wrong with it. Like, I love it, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? Next, I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, going in with that under the eyes, on the bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid bow, and chin, just to highlight them. So, now we are done with that. Ew, I'm disgusting. Like, now that we're done with that, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and I have the banana powder. I don't know where that got off, but I really got to be more mindful of that. I prime my lids with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I blended 10% off through my crease. And that's all I've done so far. I'm going to take the shade Tune and mix it with a little bit of B, and I am going to put that all over my lid. If I've learned anything, this is my third look using the James Charles palette, is that you just have to be patient with some of these shades. I was getting really frustrated with the yellow shade B, and now I'm like, okay, sis, you better work. Like, I like it. I like her. I'm just gonna take the same blending brush that we took 10% off on and just go back through my crease and blend out those edges. And then go back in with the Tune and B and just re-intensify. Yeah, so I'm just wiggling my brush as I'm like packing it to blend colors together. So lastly, I'm going to take the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go in No Beans, which is a dark brown shade, and I'm just going to deepen up this outer corner a little bit. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M124 brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Ring Light. And I'm just going to put that on my inner quarter just to brighten that up a little bit. So that's that. Now I'm going to go in with liner and mascara. I'm using my tried and true Maybelline Unstoppable liner to do my waterline and tight line. Now I'm going to go in and do a wing liner using NYX Epic Ink Liner. Oh, my wings are a little larger than usual, but we're gonna roll with it. So now I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Barrier Mascara, and I'm just gonna coat my lashes, top and bottom. Okay. Now you can definitely leave it here and don't put any lashes on, but I'm gonna go ahead and decide to do a little extra and put some lashes on. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Wow, like, who am I? Who is she? Ooh. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with some highlighter. Per usual, I'm using Fenty, Beauty, and Trophy Wife. Like, really, who am I? Like, I keep looking at myself in my little screen. I'm just like, I'm cute. What else? Last but not least, we're gonna do our lips. Stretch. Okay. We're gonna try True Brown K. Oh yeah, that looks much better. This is the completed look. So I hope you love it just as much as I do. We went very cute, very glam, brown lip. I'm living for this. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!